this is Butter. We're leaving from Bundi after 6 days towards Chittor, and let's see how it goes.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us.
Okay, what is up people? So it has been almost an hour and Butter and me are walking. And she's somewhere right behind me. Oh, she's here.
The river runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on the full moon. And we stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the river runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar. Simmer down and mash me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drumming round in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord.
Hey, what is up people? So it's been almost 3 hours since me and Butter right here. We're walking. Butter is also walking today because she did not want it to get carried away. She just didn't want it. So yeah, and it's around 1:30. Real sunny, good weather to walk, and we're crossing through villages. And right now I am in a village called Ramnagar. So yeah, we're going to walk for next 2 hours or 2.5 hours and take a break of course in between, and then we're going to stop, find a village, camp, find an ashram or a temple. Let's see what happens.
You, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when.
Okay, what is up people? So it's around 3 o'clock and somebody has told me that there is a village called Neem Ka Kheda that is around 5 kilometers from the point where I am right now. And yeah, I think I'm gonna find that village and I'm going to stay there for night, me and Butter both. So let's see how it goes and let's check out Neem Ka Kheda. Okay, hello everyone. So apparently after walking for 25 kilometers or something, I was not able to reach Neem Kheda, but I reached the government hospital and I asked the officials to stay here, camp here for night, and they said yes. People, it's been more than 4 hours since I'm walking, me and Butter actually, and we're going to stay in a government hospital, but we couldn't because he denied, and Butter is sleeping as of now. So So she is a little tired. She has walked a lot today, around 8 kilometers or something, and now she wants to rest. But the thing is, we cannot take a hold for a longer time because we really need to walk and we need to find a space. So I'm going to carry her and let's see how it goes, and let's find a place to stay.
And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding.
Hey everyone, so I am at a place called Khenia Choraya and I stopped for a tea, and the owner here has asked me if he can adopt Butter, and I said no, but what I saw in front of me was really magnificent. He has a parrot, see right there, and he is never into cage. And he's open, and this is the first time I've ever seen in my life a parrot is being open and he doesn't fly off. So I'm considering an option to let Butter be adopted by someone. I'm really confused. Let's see what happens.
Don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Hold on. And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change.